ये जजमेंट नहीं हो, ये बहुत गलत हुआ।
मेरे जैसा जो अनटेंटेड कैंडिडेट है, मेरे जैसा फ्रेश कैंडिडेट है, उसके साथ भी अनजस्टिस हो रहा है।
26,000 jobs, years of service, now declared invalid just like that. On 3rd April 2025, the Supreme Court of India upheld the Calcutta High Court's verdict that cancelled 25,753 appointments made through the 2016 recruitment drive by the West Bengal School Service Commission. The court said the recruitment process was vitiated and tainted, involving massive corruption, manipulation and destroyed exam records. These appointments date back to 2016, when the West Bengal SSC conducted exams to fill teaching and non-teaching posts in government and aided schools. But what followed was a scam that shook the state. As it turns out, the entire recruitment drive was built on corruption, manipulation and missing exam records. From destroyed OMR sheets to reports of bribes ranging from 5 to 15 lakh rupees, the scam ran deep. A CBI probe revealed that digital copies of answer sheets were missing from the servers, raising serious doubts of foul play. In 2022, the Enforcement Directorate arrested former Education Minister Partha Chatterjee and his aide Arpita Mukherjee after more than 50 crore rupees in cash was seized from their homes. Allegedly part of the Cash for Jobs scam, he was granted bail in December 2024. On April 22, 2024, the Calcutta High Court ruled that the entire selection process was fraudulent. It ordered the termination of nearly 26,000 staff and directed a CBI investigation. The state government challenged this in the Supreme Court. And on 3rd April 2025, the Apex Court said it found no valid ground to interfere with the High Court's direction that the services of tainted candidates must be cancelled and that they should refund any salary or payment.
5,000 कैंडिडेट इलीगल अप्रूव्ड हुआ और 5,000 कैंडिडेट का जो सारा का सारा डिटेल्स वो वेबसाइट पे है, लेकिन हमारे खिलाफ और मेरा जैसा जो 19,000 कैंडिडेट है, इसके खिलाफ कोई एलिगेशन नहीं है।
Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee rejected the judgment, saying innocent teachers are being punished for the government's failures. What happens to those who are genuinely qualified? Can a new system fix years of broken trust?
हम किस बात की सजा हमें मिल रहे हैं? हम तो टेंटेड कैंडिडेट में कोई भी लिस्ट में नहीं है।